this is Naoko from Vandology. Thank you all so much for tuning in to today's virtual performance. Today, we will be having 13-year-old Mia Barron, who is a singer-songwriter from Toronto. Among her many accomplishments, Mia performed in a concert for cancer research at Kerner Hall alongside a number of notable artists. She also just released a new song, Hide and Seek, in May 2021. She's also expecting to release several new songs later this year, so please stay tuned. Today, she will be performing Save Your Tears by The Weeknd.
But you walked past me like I wasn't there and just pretended like you didn't care. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. Save